Hi, I'm Annie Rempel. I'm a junior at Stanford, majoring in human biology and studio art. In human biology, my area of concentration is local and global approaches to preventive health. And here in Cape Town, I've been placed at SEED.
My name is Tessa and Annie. I'm majoring in comparative studies in race and ethnicity. My concentration is international human rights. And in Cape Town, I'm also working at SEED. SEED is a permaculture, gardening, and food security organization located primarily in Mitchell's Plain. Basically, it's set up as an education program at the primary school. So there are 2 outdoor classrooms where different lessons take place that teach the kids at the primary school. And there's also a large garden area and nursery.
Yeah, I think the main vision of SEED is to allow individuals, both in Mitchell's Plain and throughout South Africa, to overcome food insecurity and be completely self-sufficient when it comes to the production of food, and but not only the production of food, but also in a sustainable practice through permaculture, crop rotation, just general principles of sustainable agriculture. Going to SEED every day was kind of an interesting experience in that we were told at the beginning of the day what needed to be done. It wasn't like a set project that was going throughout the quarter, which in some ways was great, in some ways not so great, but it forced us to be flexible and really do a lot of different things. So some days we'd be making a compost all morning, or weeding, or planting seedlings, and some days we'd just be thrown into a classroom of 4th graders or 5th or 6th graders who sometimes spoke Xhosa. I don't take that class, who speak Xhosa better than English, and were expected to teach them about renewable energy or
The water cycle.
Or something that to do with natural sciences. So it was really a mixed bag of what was expected of us at SEED, but it was a really powerful experience.
So a lot of the staff at SEED are very encouraging as to, like, if you have an idea, bring it forward, put together something on your idea and present it to the group and do it. And so it was hard for me to find what was already existing at SEED, what had worked in the past but then failed later, and that was a struggle throughout. But I think that joining onto the existing projects that SEED had was far more rewarding than trying to navigate my own idea on the side.
In our service design course, we talk a lot about how to approach a community and feel comfortable in your space and your surroundings and all this stuff. And at the beginning of SEED, I felt like I was just kind of going through the motions, like picking weeds, doing things that I could be doing anywhere. And it wasn't until the last couple of times when we started telling people that we were leaving soon that it really became clear that we were a part of the place and we were a part of SEED.
And I think another part of that, going off of that, was getting to know a lot of the students who were really interested in SEED, and mostly 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders who would be in the garden every day after school and asking what this plant was and how these worms work. And it was really interesting it was just great to be in a classroom with them, sometimes teaching them about this and that about natural science, and then seeing them out in the garden wanting to help us plant seedlings or something like that, and that was really great.